Hi kids. In today's session you are going to learn about what is the meaning of global warming, climate change, acid rain and e-waste. First we will move on to the global warming. It is the current increase in temperature of the earth's surface as well as its atmosphere. Average temperatures around the world have risen by 0.75 degrees Celsius over the last 100 years. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide are the greenhouse gases warming the Earth's surface. So it is called greenhouse effect. The carbon dioxide is the most important of the greenhouse gases, contributing to 50% of the global warming. The burning of fossil fuel and other biomass deforestation results in carbon dioxide. In the past, when the earth experienced increases in temperature, it was result of natural causes. But nowadays, it is being caused by the human activities. Global warming adversely affects agriculture, horticulture as well as the ecosystem. Reduced rainfall, higher temperature and increased pest, that means the weed growth, hamper farming. Threats to health arise due to increase in disease carrying vectors such as mosquitoes, resulting in malaria, dengue fever, encephalitis and yellow fever. Encephalitis means it will affect the brain. Okay. An increase in the global average surface air temperature of such magnitude will bring about alarming changes in rainfall patterns as well as other climatic conditions, which result in serious ecological disequilibrium. Already I told about this one. That means due to the global warming only, all that climate it has been changed. Climate change. The climate change refers to seasonal changes over a long period with respect to the growing accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Human activities since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution have contributed to an increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Several parts of the world have already experienced the warming of coastal waters, high temperatures, a marked change in rainfall patterns, and an increased intensity and frequency of storms. Sea levels and temperature are expected to be rising. Now we'll move on to the acid rain. It is one of the consequences of air pollution. It occurs when emissions from factories, cars, or heating boilers contact with the water in the atmosphere. These emissions contain nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. When mixed with water becomes sulfurous acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. It can have harmful effects on plants, aquatic animals, and also infrastructure. E-waste. Electronic waste, which is commonly referred as e-waste. It is the new byproduct of the infotech society. It is a physical waste in the form of old, discarded, end-of-life electronics. It includes a broad and growing range of electronic devices from large household appliances such as refrigerators, air conditioners, cellular phones, computers, and also other electronic goods. E-waste can be defined as a result when consumer, business, and household devices are disposed or sent for recycling. Solid waste is basically discharge of useless and unwarranted materials as a result of human activity. Most commonly, they are composed of solids, semi-solids, or liquids. Solid waste consists of the discards of households, hospital refuse, dead animals, debris from construction site, ashes, agricultural waste, and industrial waste. When waste is not removed from the streets and public places in time, it poses severe public health and hygiene hazards.